Alrighty, everybody, Jed Johnson here from DieselCrew.com, and this is the second matchup in the hard-to-handle tournament to crown the hardest thick bar rolling handle in the world today. The matchup that we have before us is the original style Rolling Thunder versus the Merritt handle. The Merritt handle will be heads, and the original style Rolling Thunder will be tails. Another left-handed coin flip. We have a U.S. quarter. Here we go. And again, it's tails. So that means the Rolling Thunder will go first. 150 pounds is added. First up, Merritt handle. Next up, old school Rolling Thunder. £10 added, 160 total on the unit. Merritt handle. Original Rolling Thunder. 170 pounds added. Merritt handle. Rolling Thunder. $180 added. Merritt handle. Rolling Thunder. £190 added. Merritt handles up. Go. £190 added for the original Rolling Thunder. £200 added for the Merritt handle. Original Rolling Thunder, £200 added. £210 added for the Merritt handle. $210 for the Rolling Thunder. £220 added for the Merritt handle. Woo! Grass! No! No. All right, that's a fail at 220. So we go back to 210 to get the weight. £226, 226.9. 220 pounds added for the original style Rolling Thunder. I can't believe that. Try the old Indian bird. So, this is very interesting. Unprecedented. Was not anticipating this at all. Last successful lift was 210 added. The final total lift of 220.5 pounds. But this is actually a tie. We actually tied in the weights lifted. So we need to drop back down to 2.5 pound increments and go again. We are now in tiebreaker mode. So the weights that we've already tested will not matter. Now we've dropped back down. We're going to go in 2.5 pound increments to find the winner. So this is 180 plus 30, 210 and a 2.5, 212 added for the Merritt handle. Oh. Oh. No. Another failure. 212 added for the old school, original style Rolling Thunder. Got it. This matchup is going to come down to what the scale says after all the attempts. Got one more attempt here right now with 215 pounds added with the old school Rolling Thunder. 226.9 for the Merritt handle, and this has got to be close. So it's gonna come down to what the scale says, guys. Here we go. Got it. Gonna take an attempt. Well, I'll go ahead and weigh this right now, and then I'll take an attempt at the 2.5 added. Okay, so that's still under the weight. So even though I've done another lift, the weight going by the scale says that this is a harder handle. 225.6. This is 217 pounds 217.5 pounds added. It's all going to come down to this. If it comes up, then the Merritt handle wins. If it doesn't come up, Rolling Thunder is actually going to win because the weight lifted will be lighter, signifying a harder handle. Got it. I might have one more. I might have another 10 in me. All right, this is 220 added. I already missed this once on here. I'm gonna give it one more try and then weigh it. If I get it, I'll weigh this weight. If I miss, I'll put the other weights back on and weigh that. And that'll be the final score. 220 added, original style Rolling Thunder. No! Not gonna happen. So close. So close. Come down to this weighing. Wow. Totally unexpected close matchup, 228.7. The second matchup in the hard to handle tournament to crown the hardest thick bar rolling handle in the world is complete. With a score of 226 and some odd pounds versus 228 and some odd pounds, the closest matchup we might ever see. It's the Merritt handle that wins out. It is harder than the original style Rolling Thunder. Stay tuned for more matchups in the hard to handle tournament. Give this video one of these. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the developments in this amazing, amazing tournament. All the best in your training. Take care.